Well, the babies have gotten mixed in with all the others, and the 6 newest little ones somehow got mixed in with between the 2 families, one with the family of 5 and one with the family of 6. And the parents are slowly picking at them, and they're killing them off. There's 2 that are missing already. We're down to 4 of the new little babies. There's no way to separate them out. They've chased the other parents off that had those 6 little ones. And there's nothing you can do. It's nature. It's doing its thing. But it ain't right. What are you going to do? You can't catch them. We can't separate them. We can't touch them. We can't get near anything. And as you see, there they are picking at them. So, as I said, 2 of the little ones have disappeared. I don't know if they've died or what's happened. They'll never survive on their own. Sometimes you see nature at its best, sometimes you see nature at its worst. The babies are so little they can't tell who its parents are. They just see the other ducks and they want to be with them. Or excuse me, the other geese. They try to join the family. So right now, with the family of 3 that we haven't seen in several days, I don't know where they are or what's happened to them. And 2 of the little ones missing. We've got 13 or 14 geese, little geese left. Who knows what it will be come tomorrow. Very upsetting to watch and know that there's nothing you can do. Last year we had a couple families blend and they worked it out, nothing happened to them, but this year the parents that are trying to hook up with are not being so accepting. And even the older goslings are picking at the littlest babies some. We'll see how many survive.